Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xbox headset chat mixer grayed out, audio settings and controller troubleshooting. Fix 1. Connect a compatible headset. Disconnect your headset from the controller and restart the Xbox console. Now reconnect the headset directly to the controller or USB port and check if the chat mixer option is available under audio settings. Fix 2. Update the controller firmware. Open settings, then go to devices and connections, then go to accessories. Now select your controller and choose more options. And if an update is available, select update now. Then restart the console after the update. Fix 3. Reset chat mixer settings. Open settings, then go to general, then go to volume and audio output. Now change the chat mixer setting to a different option and restart your Xbox. Then go back to the chat mixer settings and set it to your preferred option and check if it's working now. Fix 4. Perform a full hardware power cycle. Press and hold the physical power button on your Xbox for about 10 seconds until it turns off completely. Now unplug the power cable from the console and wait for around 60 seconds. Then plug the power cable back in and press the power button to turn the Xbox back on. Then connect your headset and check if the chat mixer option is available. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.